Let me show you how to use Cash App at stores. If you're at a store and trying to pay using the balance that you have on your Cash App, it's a fairly simple process. If you want to learn how, make sure you stick till the end, and let's get right into it. Inside of the Cash App, from the home screen, what you'll need to do is type in the amount that you're trying to pay at the store, and then just tap on the pay button that is on the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap on pay, it's going to open up this section where you'll need to add in a cash tag, the name or the phone number, or even the email address of the person or the store that you're trying to pay. So what you need to do is ask for one of these options from the store. Type this information on the first section which says to, and then you can just hit pay on the top right of the screen. This way the transaction will be instantly made to the cash tag or the name that you added in to this to section. What you can also do is, if they have a QR setup for Cash App, you can also tap on the QR option which is on the top left of your screen. This will open up a QR on your phone. You can just scan the QR code. This way you do not need to type in the cash tag or the name of the person or the store that you're paying to. So either way you can follow one of these steps and you'll be able to use or pay using Cash App at various store locations. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found this video to be helpful, and also make sure to hit that notifications so you get notified for more future videos.